There's people out there who will steal your YouTube video and repost it and pretend like it's theirs. This has happened to me 10 times already, and it just happened again. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I force the removal of those types of videos. Whenever someone takes someone else's video and reposts it, YouTube knows that they did it. They usually know the same day that this happens. And when it's one of your videos, you'll receive a notification. The notification looks like this: new copyright matches found. Review videos that may be using your content. So I can click that notification and it brings me to the copyright section of YouTube Studio. If you don't get the notification, you can still click the copyright tab on the left and get to the same section. So I see the new one here. It says March 4th, 2023. I see the name of the video out to the left, and I see the name of the channel. That person has no subscribers, so I assume it's a new channel. And there's a column here that says percent match, and it says 100% of their video. What that means is their entire video matches my entire video. They didn't just take a segment of my video and add it to their channel. It's a direct copy. Now you see a second video on this screen. That was an experimental video that I took from a larger channel and added it to a smaller channel. If you have multiple channels and you post the same video on 2 of them, it'll actually show up as a copyright match and it'll show up on this page. So let's go over and see what this person has done with my video. I can click on the video name on the left and it takes me directly to it. So I immediately hear my own voice from my own video. It was a video about the different problems you can have with your Nintendo eShop gift cards not working. It was a how-to video. So this person has taken my video, reposted it with pretty much the same title. It is cut off, so they might have been using a bot to do this. And in their description, they have a bunch of hands pointing down to a link. When I expand out the description, I see a bunch of keywords involving gift cards. Some of them are in other languages. So this person is desperately wanting someone to search on these terms and find this video. As you can see, I added a comment 5 minutes ago telling them to stop stealing my videos. Sometimes I'll see the uploader in the comments interacting with people, further pretending it's their video. I'm gonna click that link they had in the description just to see what it is. YouTube warns me it's taking me to a different site. It looks like this site is selling gift card codes. Actually, they're probably selling non-working codes, but I don't know. Either that or they're selling software that allows you to generate a code. There's some kind of ticker at the top of the screen that shows different flags from different countries. And I'll click on the info tab and it shows a status between the different countries and stuff. I'm not sure what's going on, but this is a very suspicious website. Getting back to that person's channel, I can see that they joined yesterday. So this is pretty much a burner account. And if I look at their other videos, I see they have posted quite a few videos in the past 12 hours. They don't have that many views, so that's good. I believe every video on this screen was stolen from other YouTube creators. And notice they're all about gift card codes for Nintendo. Hopefully those creators also got a notification and they're going to do the same process I'm about to show you. Getting back to this copyright page, if I had done the examination of that video and I determined that they did not outright copy me, I can click this Move to Archive folder and remove it from this screen. That's what I'll do for this other video that's showing up here. There are cases where I would let them proceed. If they were doing a news story and they needed a clip of something from one of my videos, I wouldn't mind if they did that. If they wanted to use a larger clip of my video, at least they should credit me on the screen. There's these channels out there that react to other channels. I wouldn't mind if they reacted to one of my videos either. But this is a direct copy where they're pretending to be me, basically. It's in my best interest to take this down because that video is going to suck views from my original video. Also, I have to think about, we have this person going around YouTube stealing things, so I want them to pay a price for that. I want to discourage that type of behavior. So another option I can do is contact them. There's a little icon to do that. And if I click that, I can send a little email to them. It actually comes from YouTube and it's going to Heichel. But the thing is, if I do this, I have to give them my email address. Here's the text of what it sends to them. It basically says you copied someone else's work. They may be asking you to remove it. Here's an email address where you can contact them and start a conversation. I do not want this type of person to have my email address. You saw that website. Who knows what kind of spam I would get if I gave them my email address. So in this case, I would not be using this as an option. So instead, on that copyright screen, I'm going to click this octagon symbol to request them to remove the video. So there's this form you have to fill out. At the top, it shows the 2 videos that are involved with the claim. It gives me the option of adding another video. I'm not sure what type of situation I would need to click that. Maybe if they copied more than one of my videos, I can add several videos to this screen. And then in the second section, I have to give some personal information. It does say this information will remain confidential unless it's part of a lawsuit. I don't think that's going to happen in this situation, so I feel confident enough to fill out everything on this screen. Affected party, myself. Copyright owner name. Gaming the Systems is my overall name that I use for all my channels. Put my phone number, my email address, and my address. I have 2 removal options. I can send them a notice telling them you need to take this down or else I'm gonna have the video removed. And it gives them 7 days to do that. And if they don't do it within the 7 days, it gets removed and they get a copyright strike. The other way to do it is more immediate. YouTube will look at the application and remove the video if they determine it's valid. It says these removals can lead to a copyright strike. Most of the time when I've done this, I've used the 7-day notice and they usually take it down themselves. In this case, since there's this link to this potentially malicious website associated with the copy of my video, I believe this is a situation where I need to have it removed now. So I'm going to select standard request removal now. There's also an option here to prevent copies of these videos from appearing on YouTube going forward. I've never used this option before, but I believe it would be a little bit too strict, so I'm not going to click that box. So the last section is where I agree to some things and sign. First one is just saying I have a good faith belief that they are not authorized to use the video. The second one is saying that everything above is accurate and I'm the owner of the content. Third one is saying that I understand I should not abuse this tool. I just type my name into the signature box and I click submit. I forgot to fill out a field. It says relationship to copyrighted content. I'm just going to put content creator and I click submit. I was under the tab called matches. Now it's been moved to the tab called removal requests and it says in progress under review. You can see on this page the other copyright takedowns I've executed. Every single video on this page has been removed. Usually it's because I used that 7-day removal and they took it down themselves. I'm going to do a time jump now and show you that that video has been removed and their channel has disappeared as well. If it still existed, it would be in this column here. It's good that the channel is gone. Perhaps YouTube caught on to what they were doing. When I click on this link, it says video unavailable due to a copyright claim by Gaming the Systems. Cool. I do have the option of retracting the removal, but anyway, it shows up here and it'll stay on this page as a record. And like I said, it's happened 10 times, but this is the first time in 2023. So I think YouTube's ability to keep these videos from being reposted has improved over the years. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful. Have a good day, everybody.